Method 1. Select the rectangle tool and create a square. Hold the Shift key and rotate it 45 degrees. Select the anchor point tool. While holding the Shift key, click the path and drag it like this. Do the same on the other side. Here's the result. Method 2. Select the star tool. Hold the Shift key and create a triangle. Right-click, select Transform, then Reflect. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select the top anchor point and delete it. Now select the Delete Anchor Point tool and click on this anchor point and this anchor point. Select all and adjust the size a little bit. Go to Window, open the Stroke panel, select Round Cap, and increase the weight. Move the anchor points up and adjust the shape a little bit. Go to Object and click Expand. Here's the result. Method 3. Double-click the Brush tool. Switch to Smooth mode. Add a stroke weight. Draw half of a heart. Select all. Choose the Reflect tool. Click here while holding the Alt key. Select this path and move it like this. Select all. Select the Shape Builder tool and click here. Go to Layers, select the heart shape. Bring it to the top, select the rest of the layers and click Delete. Adjust a little bit. Here's the result. Method 4. Select the Rectangle tool. Add width and height. Curve the corners like this. While holding the Shift key, rotate it 45 degrees. Right-click and select Reflect. Select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. While holding the Alt key, click on these parts to remove them. Select all again, go to the Shape Builder tool, and draw like this. Here's the result. Method 5. Select the Pen tool. Select the Curvature tool. Click on this path and move it like this. Then click on this path and move it like this. Curve this corner like this. Choose the Reflect tool. While holding the Alt key, click here and select Copy. Go to the Direct Selection tool, select these 2 points, right-click and select Join. Now select these 2 points, right-click and select Join. Here's the result. Method 6. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Select the Anchor Point tool and click on this anchor point. Select this point and move it down. Select the Anchor Point tool again. Click this handle and move it like this. Click this handle and move it like this. Click this point and move it up. Here's the result. Method 7. Select the Rectangle tool and create a square. Click Edit, then Copy and Edit, then paste in front. Curve the corners like this. Go to Edit, Copy and Edit, paste in front again. Move this circle like this, then this circle like this. Select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Merge all like this. Rotate 45 degrees. If you learned something, like the video. To watch more videos like this, subscribe.